As you can see, there's nothing complicated about trading, and everyone can do that if you're really interested, if you're really fond of, if you're... Hi guys, today I want to show you how I trade and my strategy based on support and resistance lines, and this strategy is very suitable for everyone, for beginners, for advanced ones, and I hope that it will be useful to you too. Yes, and also join my private chat where I give trading signals every day, and of course on weekends too, especially on weekends. But my team is always in the black, regardless of what cycle the market is in now, and it's very, very important. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment. Of course, it's very important to me because if you show me your support, I think it's very good to get the support. Yeah, so guys, and we're ready to start our trading for today. Hi everyone, today we will trade on Quotex platform, and our deposit today is $100, and I will try to overclock it up to $30,000. So watch this video until the end, it will be very interesting and informative, of course. So, and you will have a chance to apply this knowledge that you gain here. So the first station where we're going to trade, it's the support level. And at this moment the price is impulsively approaching our support level, so I would like to open the trade with up for 1 minute. I think very soon it will be a pullback up, so guys, we need to check it, so let's watch it. It's excellent, guys. From this level there was a good rollback upwards, and you are getting a confident profit here. So we also can see there was a false breakout here. That means that price went beyond the support level and then returned up again. So I would like to open the next trade right here. We're down with a reserve of 3 minutes because I'm expecting if there is a small flat or maybe one more rollback upwards, the downward movement will continue and possibly the level will be broken through. So let's open a trade and see the result. It's great, guys. After a small flat, the price continued to move downwards and this level was broken through and we're getting our profit. So let's continue. Here we can see a support level, but also can see good downtrend, and the price approached our level and no longer rolls back from it. Here we can see a certain, sticking to the level. It tells that very soon this level will be broken through, and I suggest opening a trade here for 2 minutes. We're down. So guys, let's see what we can get here. It's excellent. The level has been broken through, the price continued its downward movement, and we are getting our profit. Everything is going well. Let's continue. Here we can see the support level. We also can see that the price touched this level, and after that there was a pull back up, and then it again approached our level and it started to stick it to it. The price no longer rolls back up, but it's sticking to the level, it's clear. Also we can see that the level will be broken through very soon, and we need to open a trade for 2 minutes. We're down. Let's see what we can get here. Well, it's fine. This level has been broken through, the price went lower, and we are getting our profit as usual. So 2 minutes were quite enough here. Let's look at the next rotation. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see that there was a good impulse movement down, a huge red candlestick, down to our support level. After that there was a rollback from the level and the price again sticking to the level of support. So I want to open a trade with down because I think that very soon this level will be broken through also, and need to open it for 3 minutes, and let's wait for the results. It's amazing, guys. The price broke through this level and went below. We are getting our gorgeous profit. So let's continue and consider the next rotation on the market. Here we can see that there was a good uptrend. Also there is a resistance level. At the moment we can notice the price is starting to break through this level, so I would like to open a trade immediately and then increase the very impulsive price movement, at the very breakthrough of this level. 1 minute will be enough here, so guys, let's wait for the results of our trade. It's great, guys. The price continued its upward movement after breaking the level and we're getting our profit. It's fine. So let's move on to the next situation. Here we can see the same situation. Also, we can see that there's been a good uptrend and the resistance level as well. But we can see the price approached our level. After that, there was a slight downward rollback, and now it's again approaching our level and begins to break it through. We need to enter here but down at the impulsive upward movement. 1 minute will be quite enough here, so let's wait for the results. Well, it's fine. Even though we didn't have such an impulsive movement, the price still broke through this level and we are getting our profit here. The situation on the market is very different always. Somewhere it's okay, somewhere it's a little bit worse, but we need to keep on our trading. Here we can see the resistance level. Also, we can see that there was a good uptrend. The price has already touched this level twice in a short time. After that, it rolled back down, and now it's again approaching our level. And I think that very soon this level will be broken through. And we need to open a trade here with up for 2 minutes because we can see it's sticking to the level, obviously. So let's wait for the results. It's great, guys. This level has been broken through and we are getting our profit. It's gorgeous. The price went up with impulse. So 2 minutes were quite enough here and we need to keep on. Here we can see the support level. Also, we can see the price has already touched this level. After that, there was a rollback upward. And now it's again approaching our level, and the smaller it is approaching, the less candlesticks become. Thereby, they're accumulating forces to break through this level because it's a terminal level and it should be easily broken through. And I think it's okay to open a trade where down at the breakout of this level. We need to do this for 3 minutes with the reserve because I'm expecting a slight upward rollback or a small flat, and I think the downward movement will continue and we need to check it. So let's have it. It's amazing, guys. As I said, this level has been not so, durable, and in the near future it has been broken through and we're getting our profit. I mean, it's quite enough here, and our deposit now is $12,880 and we're very close to our goal. So let's keep on and consider the next situation on the market. So guys, here we can see the resistance level. Also, we can see a good impulsive price movement up. At the moment, the price is just at our level, so it's okay to open a trade. We're down for 1 minute and expecting there will be a small pullback down, and we need to check it. So it's excellent, guys. From this level there was a small rollback down. We are getting a gorgeous profit. So our deposit now is $18,770 and I suggest opening one more trade, the last for today, and our plan will be achieved. So the next trade will be opened right here because the rollback from this level wasn't so big and the price is now trying again to approach this level. And I think that very soon this level will be broken through and it's high time to open a trade with up for 3 minutes, expecting a small flat or a small rollback, because then the price will break through this level. So let's wait for the results. It's amazing, guys. This level has been broken through and we are getting our gorgeous profit. 3 minutes were quite enough here, and now deposit now is $29,690 and I think it's time to finish. And because I fulfilled my plan for today and achieved my desired result, all the market situations worked out perfectly and absolutely all of them are profitable. As you can see, then nothing complicated about trading and it's okay for everyone to do that, and you can apply your knowledge in your trading and it's very good. So guys, as you can see, there's nothing complicated about training and everyone can do that. If you're really interested, if you're really fond of, if you're really keen on trying, you can try, you can do your best, you can trade, I'm always ready to help in my private chat, and then of course in the comments below this video you can ask me any question, I will answer that. So of course in the chat it will be a little bit faster, of course, so join me in my chat, we will be trading together, you will copy my strategy, it will be easier for you to do that, and of course you will make your money faster. I really will help you, will do my best too, I really like this phrase, do my best, because we already can do that, we are the best and we can do that already now, so it's very cool. So guys, I'm very happy that we've been training today together. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment. If you want to join my team, if you want to join the family, the team, you can write me the code, but private in my Telegram, and I will add it there, and we'll be trading together, we'll be getting in touch, and it's very cool. So guys, thank you so much for your support, see you next time.